Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, and bienvenue chez Cooper. Wait, this is an English video, isn't it? Okay, let's talk English. It is me, Mr. Maruko. Today, we're going to talk about cooking verbs. Are you ready? Let's do this!
First word is to spread, like this sandwich. To fry, like a fried egg or French fries. Yummy. To grate, in this case, cheese. It's great.
Boiling.
As I said, boiling. I'm not doing a great job, but this is peeling, like a pear or a potato. To grill meat, or in this case, a sandwich. To slice, you can slice loads of things, but for this case, a loaf of bread. I'm doing a really bad job at chopping. Chop chop.
Roasting, in this case a huge turkey. Baking,
A really nice cake or cupcakes. And this is me mixing. Look, mixing.
So those are the cooking verbs for today. You need to start cooking or doing the exercises. You can find them down here. Also, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and do all of those awesome things. Thank you so much. Have a great day and good luck. See you soon. Bye.